Okay, today we have Unit 3, Daily Activities. Daily activities, we need here things that we can do every day. Okay, let's read our new vocabulary. Read after me. Chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables.
Here, letter CH give me the sound ch. We don't say ch. If we say ch, it will be shop. Shop اللي هو يتسوق محل. But here you must say it ch, as if you are sneezing. Ch. Chop. Chop it means to cut something into pieces. يعني تقطع شيء لأجزاء. Again, chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables طبعا يقطع الخضروات. يقطع الخضروات. Okay. Iron a shirt.
A chair.
Iron a shirt.
Iron a chair.
Iron here comes as a verb not as a noun, so it means to use the iron. الأيرون اللي هي المكواة. فهنا معناها يكوي. يكوي قميص. Okay. Iron a shirt. Slice fruit.
Slice fruit.
Slice fruit.
Slice fruit.
Slice here as a verb, it means to cut something into slices. معناها برضك يقطع لشرائح. Slice fruit يقطع الفاكهة إلى شرائح. يقطع الفاكهة إلى شرائح. Take a bus.
Take a bus.
Take a bus.
Take a bus.
Wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
Stay home.
Stay home.
Stay home.
Stay home.
Stay home يعني يقيم في المنزل. Okay, doesn't go outside. Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Groceries here means the things that we can buy at the supermarket, at the grocery shop اللي هو محل البقالة. So we can say buy groceries يشتري مواد البقالة. يشتري مواد البقالة. Notice here that we must use each verb with the noun. So concerning, for example, home, we can say مثلا iron home or chop home. We can say stay home. Vegetables, we use the verb with it chop. Okay? Now, repeat after me again. Chop vegetables.
Chop vegetables.
Iron a shirt.
Iron a shirt.
Slice fruit.
Slice fruit.
Take a bus.
Take a bus.
Wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
Stay home.
Stay home.
Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Now it's your turn to read. Yes.
Chop vegetables. Iron a shirt. Slice fruit. Take a bus. Wash my hair. Stay home. Buy groceries.
Okay. Is there anything difficult here?
No.
Okay. Let's start our grammar lesson in this unit. Last time we talked about past simple, but today we'll talk about a new lesson. It's entitled emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. In Arabic it means ضمائر التوكيد. ضمائر التوكيد. Why do we use the emphatic pronouns? We can use them to emphasize لكي نؤكد that the subject لكي نؤكد إن الفاعل does the action by himself. لكي نؤكد إن الفاعل هو اللي قام بالفعل بنفسه without help. Without help. So they are called emphatic pronouns. We use them to emphasize from the word itself. ضمائر التوكيد لنؤكد شيء. لنؤكد إن السبجكت الفاعل does the action by himself or herself if we have a girl or woman. Let's talk about them. The first emphatic pronoun here we have, of course, I. It's a subjectable noun. In I is subjectable noun, ضمير فاعل. In Arabic it means أنا. What's the emphatic pronoun from I? It will be myself. It will be myself. Let's read this example. I washed my hair by myself. Okay? In Arabic it means يعني أنا غسلت شعري بنفسي. Notice here that we use by before the emphatic pronouns. We do not say with. We can use by, only by. By himself. Notice again that we use the emphatic pronouns at the end of the sentence. We do not say by myself I washed my hair. ما أقدرش أقول كده. لا. We can put it at the end of the sentence. And because here my sentence starts with the subjectable noun I, so the emphatic pronoun will be myself. From I, myself. بنفسي. بواسطتي. Okay? So here, the word myself, it emphasizes that I'm the doer. the usage, this is the importance of using emphatic pronoun. Number 2, from he means هو, subject pronoun, the emphatic will be himself. Himself, يعني بنفسه. Sometimes you can have he, sometimes you can have male name. Male name, I mean name of boy or name of man. يعني مش شرط يبقى عندي ضمير he، ممكن يكون عندي name of boy or name of man. Example, he, or we can say Ahmed, okay, or the man ironed his shirt by himself. Because my sentence starts with he, so the emphatic pronoun will himself. Can I say here, he ironed his shirt by myself? هل ينفع؟ هو كوى القميص بتاعه بنفسي أنا؟ لا، بنفسه هو. So from he, it will be himself. She, it will be herself. Sometimes we have she, or we can have female name. Female, it means مؤنث. Name of girl or name of woman, for example. Sarah, Huda, whoever. Example, she bought groceries by herself. Notice here, by herself at the end of the sentence. We use herself, we not say himself or myself, because my sentence starts with she. So again, if I have I, the emphatic pronoun will be
myself.
If I have he,
himself.
if I have she,
herself.
Okay, the fourth one, it will be it, okay, or name of animal, for example. It will be itself. The cat drinks milk by itself. From 1 to 4, they are called the singular emphatic pronouns. ضمائر التوكيد للمفرد. Let's talk about plural emphatic pronouns. For the plural pronouns, we, of course, it's a plural pronoun, subject pronoun. It means نحن. The emphatic pronoun will be ourselves. Ourselves. Please pay attention to the spelling, okay? Itself, it ends with letter F. Lower F, okay? To form the plural from it, we change letter F into V. And then we add ES. Like some nouns, singular nouns in English. Like the word, for example, leaf. ورقة الشجر. The plural will be leaves. So we change letter F into V and we add ES. Like the word loof. نضيف الخبز. It will be loaves. So we change letter F into VES. Like the word shelf. Rough. We change letter F into V. So with the plural pronouns, we must change F or letter F into VES. It will be ourselves. يعني بأنفسنا. Example, we chopped vegetables by ourselves. يعني نحن قمنا بتقطيع الخضروات okay بأنفسنا. Because my sentence here starts with we, subject pronoun we, the emphatic pronoun will be ourselves. Another one, if I have they, okay, they, it means whom. The emphatic pronoun will be themselves. بأنفسهم. And sometimes we do not have they. We can have plural noun. When I say the children, the boys, the girls, my friends, okay? So sometimes we do not have they, we can have plural noun. They went to school by themselves. Okay? If I have plural noun or they, so the emphatic pronoun will be themselves. Let's talk about you. And pay attention to you because it may mean here singular, like in Arabic anta or anti, or it may have a plural meaning. It means in Arabic antum, to refer to group. If you hear singular refer to one person, it will be yourself. Yourself. Singular. Example. You went to the dentist by yourself. If I'm talking to you, you are singular, okay? So you went to the dentist by yourself. And with letter VES اللي هي plural اللي هي جمع. Refer to what? Refer to group. So here, if you refer to one person, شخص واحد, it will be self with letter A, F. But if you refer to a group, okay, it will end with A with letters VES, yourselves. You stay at home by yourselves, okay? And you can know it throughout the meaning, throughout the sentences that you have. Okay, so again, as I said, today's grammar lesson, it's about emphatic pronouns. ضمائر التوكيد, we use it to emphasize that the subject does the action. Okay, from I, it will be myself, he himself, she herself, it itself, we ourselves. Okay, pay attention to letters VES, they themselves, you, if it's singular, yourself, if it's plural, yourselves. Okay, do you get this point? Is there anything difficult? Do you want to ask about anything? Let's answer number 1. Who can answer number 1? Yes. 1, read.
Sarah did laundry by herself.
Why do you choose herself?
Because I had she or Sarah.
Okay, thank you. Some people say, I do not have the pronoun, I have Sarah. So we can delete Sarah and put any pronoun. Okay, we can say she. Okay, the emphatic pronoun from she, from any female name, it will be herself. There isn't any problem. Okay, number 2. I and my friend stayed home by.
Ourselves.
Yes, exactly. Okay, thank you. I and my friend, we can delete them and use the pronoun, subject pronoun. We. Very good. أنا وصديقي. يعني إيه؟ يعني نحن. Okay? And the emphatic pronoun from we, it will be ourselves. It depends on meaning. You must think. Okay. Number 3. And Sammy and his children. Okay, if I wanted to delete Sammy and his children, what will be my subject pronoun? They, exactly. What's the emphatic pronoun from they? Themselves. Okay, thank you. So if you do not have in your sentence subject pronoun, try to use any subject pronoun instead of your names. So Sammy and his children, in Arabic we can say hum, they. The emphatic pronoun from they, themselves. Yes, number 4. Ayman. Speak up. Boy. Boy. Himself. Himself. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is concerning how do we have the emphatic pronouns in choose part. Let's see it in the rearrange. Okay, number 2 we have rearrange. We have these words and we want to rearrange them. Before we start, again we said that before the emphatic pronoun we use by, and we use the emphatic pronouns at the end of the sentence. Let's start 1. He took a bus by himself. Thank you. He took a bus by himself. Number 2.
I washed my hair by myself.
Thank you. Okay. I washed my hair by myself. Number 3.
ourselves.
We sliced
Fruit up by ourselves.
fruit by ourselves.